Hey friends, welcome to Internet Marketing for Beginners Training Program. I want to congratulate you first for taking this first step of getting the access to our program. You will find so many videos here that many people would actually wonder how they are getting this valuable and interesting stuff for free. I want to share with you the program introduction here. So, we will start with the normal introduction to this virtual marketing first in our coming videos. Then we will explain what is internet marketing is all about. And then internet marketing blueprints, which is actually priceless, but here you will get it for free. And not only blueprints, but here we will share with you hundreds of useful videos, resources and articles which will be very useful for your learning. Today you are just taking the first step, and for you it is very important to remain focused on this first step. So with that, once again welcome to this video. This video is brought to you by www.edusenses.com, and this is your host Amit Bharadwaj, making this video on behalf of Edusenses Private Limited. Now, what is internet marketing? I have to keep it very simple. So, selling of product and services through internet is known as internet marketing. This is also known as virtual or digital marketing. It means you are marketing something through internet in order to make money online is known as internet marketing. And since you can do this from anywhere in this world as long as you have internet access, so we call it virtual marketing as well. And that's the reason why millions of youngsters, adults and 50 plus are jumping to start their own business through internet. And if you ever thought about that for earning more money for your retirement and to live a successful easy life, then this is the place you should get access to, because you will get everything here for free. And you can download all those videos on your computer so that you can watch whenever you get the time. There is no pressure, no rush from our side. Learn at your own pace. So, you will have access to all those videos also once you get access to this program on our website. Now in terms of blueprint, we have each step defined here. And our very first step is market research, which means when you have to open a shop, then you first check what kind of business you do. If you are living in a city where you find there is a strong need or a strong demand for starting a clothing outlet or a clothing business or a clothing store, then that's what the real need is all about. And at the same time, you have to find what you can do to fulfill this need. Sometimes the real need can be different, but if you not support that, you can't provide that service, and it won't be worth you. The next one is keyword research. Once you know what you want to start, like I said, if you want to open a clothing store, then first thing come to your way is how the people are going to order, what they are actually looking for. The keyword usage comes there. Like if you want to search anything on internet, you just simply search it on Google or any other search engine. And suppose if someone is searching for a clothing store in your city, he will find it there on the Google search result. So keywords are actually very powerful. The next one is making money or business model. It is the most important part, as if you know everything about your business but you don't know how you can make money online, then there is no point of basically starting a business online. Because if you start a business online and can't make money, then you are just wasting your time. So here we will teach you all those different options which you can use and implement for making money online. We will try to keep it as simple as possible here, so that as a beginner you will not overwhelmed by all those options. Now you got all the ideas, you know what you are looking for. Then the next step will be a shop, or in terms of internet you will call it a website or a blog for selling your product or services online. In the coming videos I will explain you all about this whole structure step by step. Now everything is done, but you don't know how you are going to market or how you are going to collect money. Then it is the wastage as well. So we will explain you all about that as well. We will also discuss on different topics like email marketing and affiliate business. Now, what is affiliate business? Affiliate business is basically when you start selling somebody else's product online, and that's what it called affiliate business. And in the process you get some commission, you will start earning. That is called affiliate business. We will start it in coming days. So this is just a ground for you to learn all these topics with joining our program. So keep visiting our website regularly for updates and new videos to join this program for free. You can also like our page Speak English with Fun or Nifty Traders for more updates. Soon we are going to start a new page about our website and company. So after that you can also find some more interesting stuff there on different topics like computer networking, English package, free quotations, sample papers and articles on different social and business topics. You will also find some case studies on our website soon. So for now I am signing off. For any queries you can also write us on support@edusenses.com. Take care.